How to share content from Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you share content from Instagram. So be it your own content or if you want to share somebody else's content, this video will guide you through. So first thing first, you want to open the Instagram application and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, let's see if you want to share this particular content to someone else. Then you want to make sure to tap on this arrow icon right at the bottom under the post. Tap on it, and next you simply want to go ahead and select the person to whom you actually want to. And then confirm it by tapping on the send button. And this way you'll be able to share content. And likewise, if you actually want to share your own content, you could also do this by going to your profile section and select the photo or video that you want to share and then do the same thing as I showed you earlier. And if you want to take a photo, or maybe if you want to go ahead and take a snap in order to actually go ahead and upload, you could just do this and then send it, or you could just go ahead and select it, and this way you'll be able to share content from Instagram. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.